Welcome to the Long and Luscious collection from MHDPro. In this collection, you will learn a variety of blow-dry techniques to accommodate various hair types, styles, and occasions. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, you will learn about the 5 areas to consider when styling and dressing hair: the consultation, the science, preparing the hair, tools and products, methods of styling, and product aftercare. Lesson 2 teaches the basics of a round brush blow-dry with Callum Warrington, which places emphasis on an even, shiny finish allowing for degrees of lift according to taste, hair quality, and bone structure. In Lesson 3, Callum Warrington demonstrates how using the diffuser in the correct manner is a skill and a discipline that enhances curly hair. Lesson 4 is a classic curly to straight blow-dry with Snowdon Hill, a technique that will achieve longevity suitable for the party season or for an occasion when a client wants a dramatic change. Finally, in Lesson 5, Snowdon Hill demonstrates a classic straight to wavy blow-dry with root lift and volume. Use our see, do, stop, check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Long and Luscious collection. Complete this online course now and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Long and Luscious collection now only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.